Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Dobie is probably one of the most innovative gadgets I've come across this year. It's a game changer, a must-have, and frankly, I'm not sure how I ever lived without it. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Dobie, exploring its features, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Get ready to have your mind blown, because this product is something special. Number 5. Scotch-Brite Dobie Pads, All-Purpose Cleaning. Introducing the Scotch-Brite Dobie Pads, America's #1 selling scrub sponge brand. This pack contains 12 Dobie pads, ready to tackle your toughest cleaning tasks. This non-scratch sponge is designed to clean up messes. It effectively removes grease, grime, and dirt, leaving surfaces sparkling and clean. These pads are a kitchen cleaning essential. You can safely use it on your cookware without worrying about damaging protective coatings, ensuring your items last longer. The all-purpose cleaning pads are safe for various surfaces. Use it on non-stick cookware, countertops, showers, and other surfaces throughout your home. Keeping the pads clean is simple. Just toss it in the top rack of your dishwasher for a quick and easy clean. What we like. These Dobie pads are designed for non-scratch cleaning, ensuring your surfaces stay pristine. They are safe for use on non-stick cookware, countertops, and more. If you're looking for a cleaning solution that's gentle yet effective and easy to maintain, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. They do not retain odors like a typical sponge, and the covering will not scratch non-stick surfaces. They work well on every type of cooked bakeware. For as long as I could recall, I used the light blue dark blue Scotch-Brite pads, occasionally using the yellow green if the blues were unavailable. Both did a good job and served me well for decades. Number 4. Scotch-Brite Dobie Scrub and Wipe Cloths. This pack includes 2 Scotch-Brite Dobie Scrub and Wipe cleaning cloths. They are perfect for tackling various cleaning tasks around the house. The flexible design allows it to reach into corners and other tricky spots. Plus, it dries quickly, making it ready for the next use. This cloth provides absorbent wiping and non-scratch scrubbing. You can use it on your cookware without worry. It's ideal for everyday cleaning, including non-stick pans, dishes, refrigerators, microwaves, tiled areas, and countertops. It's a versatile cleaning tool. Each dish cloth is reusable and long-lasting. This helps you reduce waste and save money in the long run. What we like. These cloths offer absorbent wiping and a flexible design to reach those tricky spots. The cloths are also reusable and long-lasting, saving you money and reducing waste. If you like a versatile cleaning tool that can handle various surfaces and last a long time, you should consider these. What people say. They work excellent with Dawn Power Spray and other household cleaners. They are super durable on pots and pans, gentle on my glassware and antique china, super long-lasting, and truly the perfect size for washing up anything in the kitchen. It is dual-sided, one side is a thin sponge, the other is a rougher surface ideal for scrubbing dishes pots. Number 3. Scotch-Brite Dobie All-Purpose Cleaning Pads. Introducing the America's #1 selling scrub sponge brand. This product is designed to make your cleaning easier and more effective. You'll love how well it works. This non-scratch sponge is perfect for tackling grease, grime, and dirt. It will leave your surfaces sparkling clean. It's great for those tough messes. This is a kitchen cleaning staple. You can use it on your cookware without worry. It won't damage any protective coatings. This all-purpose cleaning pad is safe for many surfaces. You can use it on non-stick cookware, countertops, and showers. It is safe for use throughout your home. Keeping this product clean is simple. Just toss it in the top rack of your dishwasher. It's that easy to maintain. What we like. These Dobie pads are designed for non-scratch cleaning, ensuring your surfaces stay pristine. They are safe for use on non-stick cookware, countertops, and more. If you're looking for a cleaning solution that's gentle yet effective and easy to maintain, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I'm very happy with this purchase. The product is exactly as described. The product works perfectly. Number 2. American Luxury Gifts Guitar Silhouette, Vintage Rock Art. This guitar silhouette art piece captures the soul of classic rock. It's a unique unframed song lyric art, perfect for music lovers. Infuse your space with a rustic, vintage vibe. This wall art celebrates the Dobie brothers' legacy, ideal for acoustic guitar decor enthusiasts. Sized at 11 by 14 inches, it fits any room. It's ready for your favorite standard frame, perfect for a boho or farmhouse style. Experience vibrant colors and sharp detail. The print is on durable, high-grade paper, ensuring it remains a captivating focal point for years. This is a thoughtful and unique present. It's perfect for musicians, fans, or anyone who appreciates inspirational music quotes, ideal for any special occasion. What we like. This print brings a vintage rock aesthetic to your space. Its versatile design fits any room, from a man cave to a music studio. If you are a music lover looking to add a touch of classic rock to your decor, you should consider this. What people say. Framed well with a mat. Good quality. On thick paper. I love it. Number 1. Airnex Biodegradable Kitchen Sponge, 12-pack. These sponges from Airnex are made with biodegradable cellulose and coconut fiber. They are a great way to make your kitchen more eco-friendly. This natural dish sponge is designed to last and stay fresh. Unlike plastic sponges, its porous structure allows it to dry quickly, reducing the chance of bacteria growth. The S-shaped design makes it easier to hold and use. It reduces the strain on your hands while you are cleaning. You can safely scrub your dishes and other delicate surfaces without worry. This sponge can gently remove grease, dirt, and other impurities. When it's time to replace it, you can separate the parts and compost the cellulose. The packaging is also 100% recyclable, and it includes instructions on how to plant a tree. What we like. These sponges are made from biodegradable materials, making them a great eco-friendly choice. They also dry quickly, reducing the chance of bacteria growth. If you are looking for a sustainable and ergonomic cleaning solution, you should consider these. What people say. I've been using Dobie for a few weeks now, and I'm really impressed with its performance. The battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. The design is sleek and modern, and it feels great in my hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.